Welcome to day one. It's demolition day. I'm Michael from Soares Landscaping, and we're gonna show you what's going on here as we demo and get ready for a brand new landscape. Come with me. So these guys are taking out the old concrete patio that's here. Last summer, we put this new stone walkway in. You can see all the plywood covered up so we don't make any damage to it. Last summer, we did the front yard. This year, we're gonna do the backyard. So the backyard's gonna be pretty cool. So in this area, we had a concrete patio. We've got concrete patio around the pool as well. And this area is getting prepped. So we're taking out the concrete, got lots of gravel here, and we're gonna have an incredible outdoor kitchen here with a smoking grill on it with Wi-Fi control. It's gonna have some storage space, and it's gonna be L-shaped with a bar. And on the left-hand side, right now where the machine is, there's gonna be about 3 or 4 bar stools. You guys are doing their thing, get this concrete out of here. Some shrubs that were removed, and the old concrete around the pool is gonna be taken out. And the concrete collar, which is this guy right here, is gonna stay. It's part of the structure of the pool. We're gonna cover it with some natural stone. There's gonna be natural stone patio around where the guys are standing right now. The patio is gonna be extended almost right up to the windows, so make way for some pool loungers. There's gonna be a garden between the shed and all the way to this corner, brand new garden. There's gonna be a garden between the shed up to the house, up to the new patio. It's gonna be an encompassing garden all the way here along the outside. And right here is gonna be a nice square patio for a lounge set and potentially a fire pit. So this is gonna look pretty good. Stay tuned. We'll keep you updated. We're gonna be here for about a month. So we're gonna check in periodically, explain some of the things that we're doing so you can see what goes on in big projects like this. Lots of details. But for now, I'll see you next time. Quite looks like a mess. I'm gonna take you guys through right now and show you what happens when we blow up the old concrete from this pool. All right, so you guys are banging away. We're early morning here on day 2. We've got soil that excavated a little bit. So we've left that all here to reuse later. We got a cedar tree that was taken down. Half of that tree right there. That tree's gonna come down soon. Neighbor's maple to be pruned a little bit. But the biggest thing right now is we're getting this concrete out. We got a bin on the road that we're filling up, and we can't really keep that bin overnight. So we're also gonna need a second bin. So they're gonna bring us a second bin around lunchtime. You guys are busy, they're going. This is a 30-plus-year-old pool done by a local company in Kitchener called Acapulco. They specialize in concrete pools, and they do quite a lot of commercial work. If you've ever been to the Blue Mountains Resort, they built the pool that's in their water park. We noticed a few things here. This is a new one for us, but there's actually footings that were attached to the walkway. So the concrete pieces were attached at the bottom to these footings every 4 to 6 feet or so, which was giving some stability, but there was also rebar from the wall attached into that walkway as well. So we've had to cut that out. And then we have a little bit of peeling. So essentially they have 2 pours of concrete right here where the wall of the pool is, and then a finished concrete for the collar of the pool. And then around here, so you can actually see the 2 different pours right there. We didn't really consider this, but we're gonna put some concrete parging to just seal that up as best as we can, just to prevent any moisture from potentially going in there. We're gonna have an impermeable natural stone walkway, so we're not really too concerned about it. But one of the things that we make sure that we do in our projects is that we'd want to just make sure, we want to go to the 10th degree, the 11th degree, if you will, off the scale, to make sure that nothing bad is gonna happen in the future. So because we didn't know those footings were there, we had to have a conversation about them. Ideally, we're taking them out, so we're gonna spend a separate day to take them out. Problem with that is when we take them out, we're actually gonna make a hole. So we suspect those are no deeper than 4 feet. Now we're gonna have a 4-foot hole in the ground, and the only way to fill that hole in so that it doesn't settle in on us is we're gonna take the clear stone that you can see there, that crushed stone. We're gonna take some more of it, fill it in the hole, compact it all the way up so that it's nice and solid. Then we can build our walkway. If we don't do that, if we leave the footings there, there's a chance that they get pushed up or down in the frost in the winter, and that either pushes the walkway up or pushes it down, and then you'll see a bubble. You either see a bubble when it pushes up, or you'll see an indent and when it goes down, because it's gonna fluctuate differently than the walkway will. We have to take it out, and then if we don't fill the hole in properly and we don't compact it properly, then the same thing will happen. So kind of a double-edged sword there that we have to mitigate both of them, and we'll be fine. So the guys are gonna spend the rest of the morning, a little bit into the afternoon, getting the concrete out of here, and then we'll be starting the excavation work, and we gotta get some trenching done so that we can get electrical to the shed and some gas lines run for the outdoor kitchen and fire pit. So that's what it looks right now. Stay tuned, you'll see the rest very soon. Welcome back, day 3. This backyard Waterloo project, midday. We got some flurries. Winter does not want to go away. We have gotten rid of all the concrete. The concrete is all out of here. The only concrete left is the footings that we discovered yesterday. We're doing all the excavation right now. So any of the garden areas, all the sod is getting stripped. And where the patio is gonna go, doing a 9-inch excavation there. We're gonna have a solid 6-inch base of clear stone, 1 to 2 inches of HPB for our bedding layer. Max 2 inches or it'll fail. I'm standing right beside the outdoor kitchen area, so I'm prepping that, doing the layout. This is coming along really well. No surprises so far with the excavation. And then we gotta prep a trench. We actually gotta rip up the patio that we did here. Just a couple portions, because this is the garage and they gotta install electrical, a new line, because we have this cable here, barely in the ground. That goes to the shed, powers the pool, but we need power for outdoor lighting, so they're gonna set that up for us, and away we go. So this is day 3. By the end of the day, the whole area is gonna be fully excavated. Tomorrow, Saturday, the trench is gonna be done, and we're gonna get the first layer of crushed stone in just to protect it, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we gotta make sure this doesn't turn into a muddy mess. So that's it for day 3. Day 4 is gonna be a little bit of the same. Day 5 on Monday, electrical's going in, gas lines going in, and then it's base prep time. Near the end of the week, it'll be stone time as well, so we'll see you later on in the week.